Good morning, children. Today we are starting our topic money. Now, children, this topic money, it's a very common thing which we are using. We all know, we all want to have money, we all need money to buy things. So, money का concept इस chapter के through I am going to explain. Now, earlier, when our economy and countries were not very developed, अगर हम ancient times के बात करें, so during that time, the people used to have things and they used to exchange the things. So we had a system which was called the barter system. So over there, things were exchanged for the things which the other people never had. Like suppose I am having vegetables and you are having rice, so I will say okay, you can give me 1 kilo rice and I will give you 1 kilo of vegetables. So exchange of things used to take place. Then gradually the gold and silvers, you can say the metals है ना, तो हमारा जो precious you can say gold है, silver है, these were used for buying the things and commodities. Like if you remember the kings and queens, वो क्या करते थे, उनके पास सोने के सिक्के, अशर्फियाँ, ये सब हुआ करते थे, and they used to give those things and get things in return. Then again, gradually, as the development of the countries began, and if you come down as of now, we have the currency notes and coins. So basically, money की जो कहानी है, the history of money is long back, and धीरे धीरे it has changed from the time of barter system and at the present time when the latest thing is what we are using our mobiles, है ना. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, गूगल पे, पेटीएम, वी हैव द कार्ड्स, है ना. कार्ड्स, अभी तो कार्ड्स को भी नहीं यूज़ करना है, वी जस्ट हैव टू पिक अ नंबर और उसको हम लोग को अकाउंट नंबर फीड करना है एंड वी जस्ट हैव टू प्रेस अ बटन एंड इट इज़ ट्रांसफर्ड. सो there is a big change, if you can see, with the concept of money, or with the money has evaluate, the evaluation of money हुआ है from barter system to the present system. So basically in this topic we are going to study about money, how we are going to add and subtract money, okay, and how we are going to convert money into rupees and पैसे. ठीक है, पैसे को रुपीज़ में कन्वर्ट करना एंड रुपीज़ को पैसे में कन्वर्ट करना. Now first, today in this video I will be sharing here some of the basic concepts of money. ठीक है. So money basically is used for paying things. We all know that for any service, for anything which you want, you have to pay money. So it is used to pay for things, services. Then we can buy items using the coins and banknotes. We can also pay using checks and cards. We all know हम बैंक चेक के थ्रू भी पे कर सकते हैं. We are using our ATM debit cards, the credit cards. Okay, या we can directly use the currencies. जो हमारे पास करेंसी है उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So all these ways and the latest ways, as I told you, Paytm, Google Pay, all these are the ways by which you can pay. Now when we work for somebody, they may pay us money in exchange for our work. तो work हमें काम करने के लिए भी मिलता है. Like a person is going to office, he is doing the work and he gets a salary, he gets money for the work he has done. एक मजदूर भी काम करता है, उसको भी दिहाड़ी मिलती है. ठीक है. सो नाउ एज यू कैन सी हियर, इंडियन करेंसी की अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो पहले हमारे पास 1 रुपए के भी नोट थे, 5 रुपए का, 10, 20, 50, है ना. देन वेरी ऑफ लेट demonetization took place, and as you can all see now, the currency notes have changed, है ना. So we have the 2000 rupee note, then we have the other notes, उनके colors change हो चुके हैं, the 50 rupee note, the 10 rupee notes, okay. Then we have now the coins of 10 rupees, 5 rupees. Yes, so all these are the basically Indian currency. तो हमारी जो Indian currency है, it consists of coins and notes. As you can see here, coins and notes हैं. ये तुम्हारा 2000, 100, 500 है, then 50 रुपी है, 20 rupees है, Okay, we have the coins also. So 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee, 1 rupee, 10 rupees. So these are the currencies which we are using right now, the coins and the currency notes. Now when we come to the symbol, जो रुपए का symbol है उसका ये symbol बना हुआ है. You can see ये ऐसे र है और उसके ऊपर ऐसे this bar is there. So this is our symbol, this symbol which we are using. So rupees 100 लिखना है तो this symbol we are going to write first and then जो भी हमारी value है, जो भी हमारा amount है, that is written. Now this P, ये P किसके लिए लिखते हैं? This is for denoting the पैसा. How many rupees? Then rupees. And how many पैसे? Then we write a P. This P is written. It's a small p. So 100 paise and we have 1 rupee. Now this thing children you have to remember because this is going to help you while the conversion of rupees and paise is done. जो हमारा 1 rupee है 1 rupee is made up of 100 पैसे. That means अगर हम इस तरीके से देखें then we are having 100 paise, then we make 1 rupee. So we are getting the conversion. The formula for the conversion is 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Now as you can see here, as 100 paise is 1 rupee, तो हमारा 1 पैसा का जो वैल्यू है अगर हम उसको फ्रैक्शन के हिसाब से देखें तो 1/100 है ना. जैसे 1/100 1/100 हम 100 टाइम्स लिखेंगे तब हमारा पूरा 1 पैसा बनेगा. So we will get 1 rupee. So this is how this conversion thing is written for you. So 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee and this is shown in rupees form 1/100. So fraction आपने पढ़ा है ना. So this is the fraction part. So 1/100 rupees ये 1 पैसे की value है in the term of rupee. That's all. These are the basic concepts. Now in our next video, I will teach you how we are supposed to convert rupees into paise. Thank you class.